The bandsaw machine is one of the most important and widely used machines in sawmills and woodworking workshops. It is specially designed to cut wood efficiently, accurately, and smoothly. This machine uses a long, sharp, continuous blade that moves in a loop over two rotating wheels. Because the blade runs continuously in one direction, it produces cleaner cuts and less material waste compared to many other cutting machines. The bandsaw machine is commonly used to cut logs into planks, slabs, and boards, as well as for making straight cuts, curved cuts, and detailed shapes in wood. The main parts of a bandsaw machine include the bandsaw blade, upper and lower wheels, electric motor, blade guides, work table, and safety guards. The blade is the most critical part of the machine, and proper blade selection and tension are very important for smooth and safe operation. When the machine is switched on, the motor powers the wheels, causing the blade to move at high speed. The wood is then slowly and carefully fed into the moving blade, allowing precise cutting without forcing the material. One of the biggest advantages of a bandsaw machine is its versatility. It can be used not only for cutting thick logs in sawmills, but also for fine woodworking tasks such as furniture making, pattern cutting, and artistic wood designs. Bandsaw machines are also known for their ability to cut curved shapes, which is difficult to achieve with many other machines. However, safety is extremely important when operating a bandsaw machine. The operator must always keep hands at a safe distance from the blade, wear protective equipment such as safety goggles, avoid loose clothing, and ensure the blade is properly aligned before starting work. Regular maintenance, including blade sharpening and machine inspection, helps ensure better performance and longer machine life. Overall, the bandsaw machine is a powerful, reliable, and essential tool that plays a major role in the wood processing and woodworking industry.